Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be testing to see if we can replace the bone blossom with other transcendent plants like the maple resin to create a transcendent recipe and grow a garden. So I want to make a transcendent cake. I'm just going to put the beanstalk and banana in. Then I'm also going to get the maple resin and I'm just going to put it in as well. Then I'm going to select cook and I'll be right back once it's done cooking. So my cake is done cooking and let's see. I think obviously it can become a transcendent recipe because I did use a transcendent ingredient, I guess. So here, let me open the cake. Okay, it says Transcendent Maple Resin. And this too says Transcendent here. So definitely you can replace it if you don't have Bone Blossom or Candy Blossom. I'm happy I finally got a Transcendent item because it's been really hard to cook Transcendent foods without the items that I don't have. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.